Customers might not always be honest about how they maintain their vehicles, but the tires, well, they never lie. Tire wear patterns tell you everything: how the car is performing, how it's being driven, and whether its alignment, suspension, or ride control components are doing their job. Learning how to read that story can turn a simple tire sale into alignment or suspension work, and that introduces both higher profits and another opportunity to build trust with the customer. Let's talk about that next. Let's start with the basics. Inner edge wear usually points to negative camber or a toed-out suspension. If you see that pattern, check for weak springs or ride height issues that might be throwing off the geometry. Outer edge wear tells a different story. When sway bars, springs, or dampers can't keep the vehicle flat in a corner, the outside edge of the tire ends up taking all the punishment. This can be a common sight on SUVs and pickups with higher centers of gravity. If you notice wear on both edges, we might be talking about a case of underinflation or completely worn shocks and struts. When the suspension can't control the body, the tire gets scrubbed from both sides, especially if the vehicle owner is skipping regular tire rotations. Feathering or scalloping are the big giveaways for toe and damping problems. Run your hand across the tread. If it feels like a saw blade, alignment or ride control components are likely the issue. When you feel feathering, inspect everything that connects steering and suspension geometry to the road. Explaining these causes to the customer helps them understand that alignment service isn't just about straight steering. It's about protecting their new tires and preventing another premature wear pattern. Before mounting that new set of tires, take a minute to inspect the old ones. They'll tell you exactly what else the vehicle needs, and they'll help you sell shocks, struts, or an alignment with confidence. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.